All right, Ms. Robinson, who are you ready on first?
I am ready on everyone except for Kiva.
This is People versus Curtis Daniels.
Yes, ma'am.
P1287102, count one, driver with revoked license. Good morning. Please say your name for the record. Everyone, let the attorney say their name first, and then you go.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson appearing on behalf of Mr. Curtis Daniels. Sir, please state your name.
Curtis Daniels.
And Judge, Mr. Daniels will be pleading guilty today. The offer is allowing unlicensed driver to drive.
Right hand, Mr. Daniels. Mr. Daniels, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Robinson in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of December 13, 2021 at 11:30 p.m. On that date and time, were you the owner of a 2013, on that date and time, were you at or near the location of Kensington and Harper in the city
Yes,
of
ma'am.
Detroit?
Yes,
Were
ma'am.
you driving a 2013 Cadillac vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
You driving with your?
Is it an outlet in the back? My phone might be down.
Hold on, Ms. Dalton.
back table?
Hold on, Ms. Dalton. Hold on, Ms. Dalton. You're talking and you're not muted. Were you driving with the revoked license?
Yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied, Ms. Robinson?
Satisfied, Judge.
Court's also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by November 28th?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions? Any questions?
Oh, no, ma'am.
You're all set, sir.
All right.
This is the People versus Dominic Dutcher. Ticket number P1289780, count one, failed to secure a load. I know that Sergeant Carson should be around. He might not have been able to come in because the meeting was locked, but I just saw him in another courtroom. Let's say your name, Ms. Robinson.
Good morning. Sarah Robinson appearing on behalf of Mr. Dominic Dutcher. Sir, please state your name.
Dominic Dutcher.
And Judge, Mr. Dutcher would like to plead guilty, 3-month delayed.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Dutcher. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Robinson in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of December 13, 2021 at 4:10 p.m. on the date and time were you at or near I-96 in Grand River in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 95 Ford vehicle?
Yes, I was.
Did you fail to secure a load on that vehicle?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Ms. Robinson? Take your, I'm sorry, Mr. Dutcher, make sure you take your hat off, sir. You're satisfied?
I'm
Ms.
satisfied.
Robinson?
Satisfied.
Actual basis will accept the admission. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a 3-month delayed sentence, Mr. Dutcher. So with that, you have to pay a $200 fine. You can't get any more tickets, no citations. So essentially no further police contact. If you do all of that, when you come back, which will be on January 27th at 8:35, this will be dismissed off your record. You understand?
Yep.
Are you saying yes, sir?
Yes, yes, I am.
Okay, so $200 fine, no other ticket, and this will be dismissed. Your next date, January 27th at 8:35. Did you have any questions?
Nope,
Okay, so you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
thank you.
All right, this is the people versus, were you ready on Dylan Richards?
I'm ready on Dylan Richards, yes.
People versus Dylan Richards, ticket number X4005X95. Count one, drove while license suspended, revoked, denied. Good morning, please state your name for the record.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson for Mr. Dylan Richards. Sir, please state your name. Dylan.
How you doing? My name is Dylan Richards.
Okay,
Judge, Mr. Richards would be pleading guilty to failure to display. The balance would be dismissed.
raise your right hand. The other, well, one is a warning, it looks like, and the other is a civil infraction. So it's already in default.
Would the court set aside the default for dismissal purposes so that it can be dismissed?
All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You have an opportunity to speak to Ms. Robinson in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of January 18, 2022 at 1:08 p.m. on the date and time where you added near I-96 and Davidson in the city of Detroit,
Yes.
driving a 2018 GMC vehicle.
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes, I was.
You're satisfied, Ms. Robinson?
Satisfied.
For a satisfactory basis, will amend the count to fail to display. And then you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
Yes, Judge.
If dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be, a $200 fine, which is due, on November 28th.
All right. How would I be able to pay that? Do I
You
have
can
to
pay
come
it
to?
online. You can pay it online. There's kiosks around the city called DAT, D-I-V as in Victor, D-A-T as in Tom. It's in CVS or Myers. You can pay it there. You can pay it over the phone. I can give you the phone number if you're ready. And then, you can pay it down here at the courthouse.
All right. Thank you.
Are you all set?
Yeah.
This is the people versus Carlos Dixon, ticket number P134115. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, driving register or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Carlos Dixon. Sir, please state your name.
Carlos Dixon.
Officer
And Judge-
Williams, can you say your name? Officer Wiggins, are you around?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you say your name, badge number, please?
Officer David Williams, badge number 4319.
Thank you.
And Judge, Mr. Dixon will be pleading guilty to count of improper plates. The other count, insurance amended to improper plates. The other count would be dismissed.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Dixon. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Robinson in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Yes.
Pleading of your own free will,
Yes.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
Yes.
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of April 14, 2022 at 10 p.m. on that date and time where you at or near Murray Hill and Santa Maria in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Were you driving a 2007 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No.
You're satisfied, Ms. Robinson?
Satisfied, Judge.
For the cause to satisfy the factual basis, will accept the admission. Will amend that count to improper place. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
Yes, Judge.
Dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Mr. Dixon, can you have that fine paid by November 28th?
Yes.
Any questions, sir?
No.
We're all set. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you, Officer Wiggins.
Thank you, Your Honor. Take care.
Thank
You too, sir. This is the people versus Marcia Dalton. Ticket number SP 1336672, count 1, driver's license never acquired. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Leonard.
Good morning, Judge. Officer Devin Leonard, badge 1947.
And good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Ms. Marsha Dalton. Ma'am, please state your name.
Marsha Dalton.
And Judge, Ms. Dalton will be pleading guilty to allowing.
I'm sorry, I can't hear anything.
Raise
No one's
your
saying
right
anything.
hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Robinson in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will. You're pleading of your own free will.
I'm sorry, what was that?
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
yes,
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
yes,
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of April 7, 2022 at 1:53 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Wadsworth and Southfield in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2008 Jeep vehicle?
yes.
Had you never acquired a driver's license?
No, just my permit.
You're satisfied, Ms. Robinson?
I'm satisfied, Judge.
Court also satisfied the factual basis, will accept the admission, and to count 1 will amend it to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Ms. Dalton. Can you have that fine paid by November 28th?
Yes,
Do you have any questions?
no.
You're all set, Ms. Dalton. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus, thank you, Officer Leonard.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Daryl Dudley, ticket number SP 1280900, count 1, speeding 16 to 20 miles per hour with close speed. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Ticket number SP 1280906, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not a person. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning. Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Daryl Dudley. Sir, please state your name.
Daryl Dudley.
Judge, this is a case where Mr. Dudley wants to have the trial. There is an offer for blockading. He has documentation, I believe, an alibi defense here. Or mistaken identity, whatever the case, however you want to call it.
All right, officer. Okay, What about Kyle Duga? Are we ready on that one?
I didn't get the state offer for him.
This offer is, does she have a? All right, it's dismissed. It will be dismissed. That's the offer. What do you want to say, Ms. Robinson?
Daryl Dudley will be dismissed.
No, the offer is, passenger, open alcohol passenger.
For Kyle? All right,
Yeah,
I need to speak to him. I haven't went over that with him. That's it for all his matters? Just to plead to that one?
yeah.
Okay. Mr. Duva, can you go back into your breakout room?
Who
Or
is
however the
in-
court wants.
I'm not sure how to do it.